and welcome to this demonstration video of the MyLiveMIQ.com back office success center, I like to call it. Let's go ahead and log in here, and this will take us right into our success center back office. Now, as you notice, right when you log in, you can get a bird's eye view right away of the kind of activity that you're receiving on your site that day. It's very important for you to know what's happening. So you can see right here the number of prospects that you have to date, and then it gives you your stats based upon that day. So today, 5 unique hits and 29 clicks, meaning how many clicks people have done on the site, and that's all available to you. Now, here's where there's going to be announcements and that kind of thing. Is where we'll keep you up to date with what's happening with the system and all that great stuff. So we'll beat this up as we go along, but right now there are two main features available to you. Basically, actually 3 main features, but the first one is the account section. You can control every area of your account. Your personal information, put your picture in right here. That's a picture of me. Don't you like that? Yeah, I wish I was Peter Drucker. Anyway, so you control all this. Now, the really cool thing about the system is that when you get sent reminders about your follow-ups, which I'll go into in just a bit, you can put in your cell phone email address or your SMS address, and it'll send you a reminder to your cell phone to call certain prospects. Now, isn't that cool? Now, if you don't know your SMS information, no problem. I got a little system here. You just put in your phone number and select your carrier, and boom, copy that right into there, and you're good to go. So I even have something there that will help you look up your SMS address. Most cell phones nowadays can receive email. I would not recommend doing it through SMS because that costs money on your cell phone. So just get your cell phone's email address, and that's all right here. Okay, cool. You put your email in right there. Change your password. Put your photo in. Got that. The next thing you want to do is, if you have a live business center, you can control all the aspects of how your live business center behaves. If you're offline, it'll tell the system where to send your visitors, and you can either put up a pre-recorded video, or you can choose to have someone else's room displayed to your prospects. How cool is that? So when you're offline and you're not sitting at your computer, broadcasting to your prospects, you can have someone else doing it for you, and if you know their room key, then you can use their room. Cool feature there. The other thing is, again, you can show some offline video. All you do, and we teach you how to do this, is to go to YouTube and record a video using your webcam that tells people to have a look around and to come back or whatever. We'll give you some pointers on how to do that. And then you take the embed code that YouTube gives you and you put it right in here, and that video will show when you're offline. Very cool. The other thing is, you can edit your website footer. And the footer is basically the information that appears underneath your live room. So this is now my footer, and I'll just make it say, "Welcome to the MIQ Live Demo." And we'll update the footer. Okay, and if we refresh here, there we go. So that works, and then I'll show you here on the site what I just did. What I really want to get into here is the prospect management system. So here we are. Let's go ahead and click on my prospects, and you can see, get an idea of all your prospects. Now, all these people are people that have opted in to your site. When we load leads into your account, they're going to be put here in another button that says My Leads. And then you simply take those leads to send them to your site, and then they'll become opt-in leads. So just I'm going to make sure you understand that. These are people that have opted in to receive information from you, so these are hot prospects. Now, what will happen if you got the Pro or the Ultimate package, then your prospects will be directed into our live business center, where we will qualify them and close them. Throughout the process of us speaking to your prospects, we'll be putting notes in that will be sent to you, and those notes are actually put in. Let me find one that has some notes. Okay, here's a good one. So we put in some notes. This is a test one here, and so these are all the notes that the staff put in for this prospect. Okay, and then it also shows all the pages that this person visited, so we can get a bird's eye view of kind of information that they received and what they still need. So we see this person actually hit the sign up page, and that's really important information to know. Alright, so really cool things that you can do in your prospect management system is you can set the type of contact that it is, and you can change these categories. So we have not contacted, left message, and so let's just say this person needs follow-up. We'll change that, and then it changes their contact status to needs follow-up. We've got all their information right here. It tells you how long they were on the landing page, tells you all the pages they visited. We just went through all that, and you can add a note. And then we can select whether or not you want to follow up with this contact. And so you hit yes, and we'll say we're going to follow up with them on the 20th. So put that in, and we've got the cell phone address there, and hit add note. And right here you will see, if we refresh this page, there's the note that I added, and the follow-up has been scheduled. Something else very valuable to you is you can send a message to this lead. So if you click right here, we'll have a series of messages loaded in that you can send, and you can create your own messages as well. So click here to create a new custom message, type in your message, and you have these personalization fields that you can put in. So you can essentially create one message one time and send the same message to hundreds or thousands of people, and do it all with the click of a mouse. Very, very cool. And the other thing is once you've sent that message, a note will be automatically added for you to let you know, to help you remember that you sent that custom message, or that you sent that message to this prospect. So again, folks, this really helps you stay organized and helps you keep track of where you are with all your prospects. Very, very powerful. So that's basically the back office. Again, we're going to have leads loaded in here for you. It's going to be an amazing, amazing system for you to plug into and get your team plugged into. And as you can see, it really helps you. It's a time saver, and it's a success creator. So definitely get yours set up today. If you have any questions, let us know. There are some other portions here on the site that we'll be working on over the next week or two. But all that stuff will become available. But everything you need right now to get plugged in and to get making money with Magnum IQ is ready for you. So get started, and I look forward to helping you achieve great success. Thanks.